Guava, a gift from nature, thrives in the tropical landscapes of Central and South America, particularly in Brazil. This vibrant plant offers more than just a sweet, delectable fruit. Its leaves have gained recognition for their impressive natural healing properties. Frequently harvested for tea, guava leaves provide relief from digestive issues, soothe inflammation, and help combat diarrhea, making them an essential ally for gut health. Rich in antioxidants such as quercetin, these leaves play a significant role in supporting the immune system and promoting detoxification of the body, ensuring a holistic approach to wellness. But the benefits of guava do not stop at its leaves. The succulent fruit, bursting with flavor, is loaded with nutrients that contribute to overall health. With abundant vitamin C, fiber, and lycopene, guava supports skin health, enhances immunity, and can even aid in lowering blood sugar levels. Each bite offers a refreshing sweetness while delivering powerful health benefits. Additionally, traditional remedies often utilize guava bark and flowers, showcasing the versatility of this remarkable plant. These elements are incorporated in folk medicine for various ailments, emphasizing guava's significance as a holistic resource. In summary, the guava plant stands as a remarkable testament to nature's healing prowess. From its potent leaves to the juicy, nourishing fruit, it embodies a multifaceted tool for health and wellness. Embrace the guava and share its incredible healing properties with others, one sip or bite at a time. Thank you for exploring the wonders of this tropical treasure, and invite others to join in the journey of discovering nature's gifts.